Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Rapid Test Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to quickly and accurately assess their health status in the comfort of their own home, offering peace of mind and the ability to take immediate action if necessary, especially in today's world where staying informed about potential health concerns is paramount for personal well-being and the safety of loved ones. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your own home. Join millions of families who trust our product. We have delivered over 1 billion tests, ensuring widespread access to reliable testing. This test is FDA 510(k) cleared, allowing for a quick and easy 15-minute self-test. No need to send samples to a lab. Stay informed about the latest developments. Our test is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants, keeping you updated. Testing is simple and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. Easy-to-follow instructions and optional app support are available. This test is suitable for individuals aged 15 and older. Adult supervision is recommended for children aged 2 to 14. What we like? This option has been trusted by millions and is known for detecting multiple COVID-19 variants. If you are looking for a reliable test that keeps up with evolving strains of the virus, this is a great choice. It offers an easy testing experience with minimal discomfort, making it suitable for regular use by families. What people say. They are reliably working and are easy to use. I've tried other tests occasionally but always go back to them. It's a very easy and accurate test. Of all the test kits, we've found that these have the easiest instructions to follow and have been accurate. Number 4. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test, your solution for quick and reliable COVID-19 detection. Get results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. Testing is simple and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Just a gentle insertion is needed, and you can follow along with optional instructional videos. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use. You can trust its accuracy for self-testing without needing to send samples to a lab. Suitable for individuals aged 15 and older, and can be used on children aged 2 and above with adult assistance. It's a convenient option for group testing too. Each test comes in independently sealed packaging, ensuring safe and hygienic testing every time. Your health and safety are our priority. Easily manage and track test results for your group, whether it's for school, work, or events, using our optional mobile app. What we like? This test stands out with its ability to manage group testing via a mobile app, which is incredibly useful for schools or workplaces. If you need to monitor the results of multiple individuals efficiently, this product is ideal. It also boasts zero discomfort during testing and independently sealed packaging for hygiene, making it a convenient and safe option for group settings. What people say. The end goal is 2 negative test results 24 hours apart. There are 5 tests to a package. The test was accurate. I did not have COVID. The test is easy to do. Follow the directions. You can do the test in the comfort of your home. It does what it says it does. Easy to use test kit, good instructions, and good value with 5 tests in one box. I kind of stick with iHealth now because I've got the routine down and like the way they provide a hole in the box for standing the liquid tube upright for putting the swab into. Number 3. CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. This test kit is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use, making it easy to access and use for your peace of mind. Our easy-to-use design allows for a simple swab and test process. Just swab, test, and get your results quickly. It's designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern, including Delta and Omicron, ensuring you're protected. This test is suitable for individuals aged 2 years and older. Adults can administer it for younger children, or individuals 14 and up can self-administer. Don't wait for important moments. Get your results in just 15 minutes so you can plan accordingly. What we like? This test is designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern, offering comprehensive protection. If staying up to date with the latest strains is your priority, this is the test for you. It provides results in just 15 minutes with a simple swab and test process, ensuring you get quick and accurate information when you need it most. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results within 15 minutes. The kit includes all the necessary components for testing, making it convenient and straightforward. The design of the test swab is comfortable and minimizes discomfort during sample collection. Number 2. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit, 2-pack. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes, right at home. No appointment or lab visit is necessary, making it ideal for quick screening. Collecting your sample is comfortable and easy with our soft, short nasal swab. It's designed for simple self-collection, perfect for ages 14 and up, or with adult assistance for ages 2 and up. Skip the clinics and long waits. You can perform this test at home whenever you need peace of mind. No prescription or lab drop-off is required. This test provides quick and dependable results for individuals aged 2 and older. It includes clear procedures for both self-testing and assisted testing. Everything you need is included in the box for fast, confident results. Just open it up and follow the simple instructions provided. What we like. This kit offers fast and accurate 15-minute results with a gentle, non-invasive nasal swab, making it perfect for those who prioritize comfort. If you dislike the discomfort associated with some nasal tests, this one is designed for you. Its over-the-counter convenience means no prescription or lab visits are needed, providing peace of mind right at home. What people say. Easy to use, clear instructions. The instructions are super clear, the nasal swab is short and comfortable, and you get results in about 15 minutes. The expiration date was 4/12/26. The directions were easy to read and there were 2 of us testing. I am fairly confident they were accurate, with the results easy to read. Number 1. SpeedySwab COVID-19 and Flu A and B 3-in-1 Antigen Rapid Combo Test. Introducing a rapid combo test that detects COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B. Get 3 results from a single nasal swab in just 15 minutes. Use this test kit at home as soon as you experience cold or flu-like symptoms. It's also ideal after close contact or before visiting vulnerable individuals or attending events. This over-the-counter test is designed for adults and children aged 2 and up. It uses a gentle nasal swab for easy sample collection. This FDA EUA authorized test provides reliable results in about 15 minutes. Its high sensitivity and specificity help you make informed decisions about your health. Ideal for identifying if symptoms like fever, cough, or fatigue are due to COVID-19, influenza A, or influenza B. Know what you're dealing with quickly. Skip the clinic waits and reduce exposure with this convenient at-home test. It's easy to store, pack, and use wherever you go, and is HSA/FSA eligible. What we like. This is the only option that offers a 3-in-1 combo test, detecting COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B all at once. If you experience cold or flu-like symptoms and need to know the specific cause quickly, this test is invaluable. It provides fast, convenient results at home and is HSA/FSA eligible, making it a cost-effective choice for comprehensive respiratory illness testing. What people say. Quick, easy to understand, rapid results, great for in-home. It told me I had the flu and I definitely had the flu. This is a very accurate test. It is great to have all 3 in one, Flu A, B, and COVID. This way you know if you need medication or not. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.